Welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you a quick and easy way to create responsive navbars in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, using only ChatGPT and no prior knowledge of web development. Let's start by going to chatgpt.com. Now that we are there, you can see that I have written up a prompt that explains some of the features I would like this navbar to have. Once we have the prompt we want to use, we simply hit enter and ChatGPT will do the coding for us. As you can see, the AI will create everything we need, so this way we can just copy and paste into our editor. We can click the copy code section in each box to one-click copy. ChatGPT will even give you a brief explanation of the code and what it's doing, if you would like to know how it works. Once we've copied our code, we can simply paste it into our editor. I'm currently using Visual Studio Code for this tutorial. I've also already created and linked the CSS style sheets. Once you've pasted the HTML portion inside the body tags, simply save the project, go back, copy the CSS code, insert it in your style sheet, and save again. Once you have inserted all the code ChatGPT has created for you and saved your project, go ahead and open it up. As you can see, we now have a navigation bar for our website that came all from a simple prompt. It is even responsive on smaller screens, making it mobile-friendly. This is just the start of what you can do. If you have prior HTML and CSS knowledge, you can make edits and change it as you desire. This is now a framework for your navigation bar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from the aspiring freelancer.